Good morning class. Today I am going to teach you prefix and suffix. This is chapter number 4, English book, English grammar book. So we'll see first what is prefix. Prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of the word to form a new word. So what is prefix? It is prefix. It will be in pre-side of the word prefix. So this is a prefix. Here you can see example, a word is men, and we are going to add here super. Super is the prefix. So when we are going to add super with the man, then we'll make a word Superman. So super is a prefix here. Here you can see some another example, dislike. Like is a main word, possible is a main word. So if you are going to add here prefix dis, then you can make opposite of word of the main word, like person करना, and dislike this dislike totally it is you don't like. So this is the, so possible is it can be, and impossible it can't be. So the word is going to be changed with the prefix. And there's some another example here in same un. You are here prefix in, prefix the same concept here. So here you can see l non. Some examples you can see. So children, page number 23, you can see usually the prefix and the word to which is added or written together as a one word, dislike, illegal. So if you are taking a word like and you are adding their prefix dis, so it will become a new word, dislike. So some examples here, illegal, irresponsible, and that all. You can see point number A, some sentences are here. You'll fill here with the prefix word. So here word given packed. Packed means packed. Suzanne her suitcase and took out her clothes. So if Suzanne is taking out the clothes, it means it is unpacked, not packed. So this in this concept you will complete these sentences. So we'll see the next page. So here you can see on the page number 24, you can see suffix here. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the word to form a new word. So suffix is, it will be added in the end of the word. The meaning of the new word is usually different from that of the original word. So children, if you are going to add suffix with any word, you can see example is the so word is the new word, it will be different from the original word. So first point, you can see to form plurals of noun. When you want to make plural of the word, then you will use suffix like ses, then in plural you write this. So to change the base form of the verb by adding ses and the, so this is also one example. So change the word with the using of suffix. Third is to form adverbs by adding ly. So if you are adding in with the word ly, then you will get a new word, that is adjectives. So kindly, mainly, and widely, that all mean words. So here you can see some examples of suffix: full, less, nest, ship, dump, and that all. er. So you can see here this is dry. Dry means suka, dry, and if you are adding there er, then it will be drier. Full, helpful, careful, that all. Less, helpless, and careless, that all example you can see. So children, come to the next page. So children, you can see page number 25, some sentences are given here. Point number 1, Socrates was a famous philosopher and so thinker, because think means think, sochna, and if you are adding er, that is a thinker, a sochne wala. So that is the that one example I have given, and you try to complete this page number 25 work. Thank you class. Thank you very much.